I asked ChatGPT to create my meal plan, and here's how it went. Now, before I start, I just want to let you know that one, Chat has already been helping me with my captions on my shorts, so it knows what kind of foods I already like. And number two, I'm 127 pounds, I'm about 5'3" and a half, and my goal is to eat 1,118 calories a day. So let's see what Chat gave me. Meal number one, breakfast. I told Chat this is the breakfast I typically eat, so this one I wanted to keep the same. I find myself not super hungry in the morning, so this is my opportunity to load up on protein. This is what I eat for breakfast. 1 egg, 1/4 cup of egg whites, 1 tablespoon of cottage cheese, and actually that's it. And some salt and pepper to taste. Next, what I would consider included in my breakfast is my coffee in the morning. So I'm having a cup of coffee with 175 grams of 2% high protein milk and an espresso shot from Nespresso. Wait guys, before I continue with the video, I've been reading this book and it's changed my cooking life a lot. If you guys are interested in seeing what I took away from this book that was really helpful, comment below, let me know you want to see a video like that and I'll make one. Oh, was my mic even on? Now back to our regular programming. So total calories for breakfast is 225. Let's move on. Meal number two is lunch, coming in at about 650 calories. These are Gochujang rice bowls, but honestly, it's just human kibble in my eyes. There are so many versions of this out there on the internet. I even created my own girl kibble version. You can see that on my shorts. But overall, it's just a ground beef and some veggies. This week, I was trying to focus on iron, fiber, and protein, so this is the recipe that Chat gave me. And I always have to end my meals off with a fruit because that's like dessert to me. It's nature's candy. Now finally, dinner. Meal number three, chicken stir fry. This is the recipe. As you can tell, it's very Whole Foods oriented, but oh my goodness, it had no flavor. Yes, we use soy sauce and sesame oil, but it just wasn't enough depth in there. So when I was eating it, I had to top it off with some more gochujang sauce. Sorry, Chat, that was a no from me. And ending this one with some strawberries for dessert. So overall, would I use Chat again for my meal prep? Possibly. If I was super locked in and a gym bro, I would probably do this because it's super clean eating. It helps you calculate your calories and your portions that you need. And honestly, all the meals were really filling. But as a Chinese, I need lots of flavor in my food, so I'm probably gonna have to be using more sauces than what Chat recommended. I'd rather find my own versions of recipes that have more flavor in them. So before I leave today, what do you guys think of this video? Should I keep doing this and get Chat to make me more recipes? Should I keep with these two recipes and eat them through the week and see what happens? You let me know what you wanna see and comment below. Thanks for watching. Okay, how was that?